Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jules.amoako, and in today's video I am gonna show you an absolute ordinary day with our family. And the only extraordinary thing is that my husband is back. Yay! He flew in for our girls' birthdays and life is way easier when he's here. So back to the video. Today I'm gonna show you a lot of cooking, how my girls unbox an LOL OMG surprise box they recently ordered, and how we enjoy family time together. So lean back and enjoy the Amoakos. For breakfast I had a banana shake. I wasn't really hungry that morning and a shake was perfect for me. In my shake I added frozen bananas and also one unfrozen ripe banana, frozen berries, peanut butter and turkey berry and almond milk in my blender. And that's it. How simple is that? That banana shake is filling, but it doesn't overwhelm your stomach and keeps you energized in the morning. Sometimes I feel so tired right after having a heavy breakfast. I want to prepare some breakfast for my hubby. He wants to have some scrambled eggs with avocado bun. And let me show you something. He brought some goodies from Ghana and they are so amazing. Let's have a look. Just take a look at this. These are all presents from Ghana. And this is turkey berry. These are star apple, African star apple, and this is a cacao fruit, and this is a mango. Look how big it is. The size is just breathtaking. It's just amazing. And he also brought some avocados. Look, this is insane. This is an avocado from Ghana. It's a ripe avocado. Look at the size. And this is an avocado that I buy in the supermarket. The funny thing about that morning was that we all kinda had breakfast at different times. Our kids woke up hungry and asked me for French toast, and I finished my shake while cooking my husband's breakfast. That's how it is sometimes. My eggs are somewhere in between scrambled eggs and an omelette. By the way, if you want to try that breakfast but you want to avoid gluten, you can replace the bun with whole grain bread or simply eat eggs with avocado and tomatoes. girls are obsessed with the LOL OMG dolls. That day our Kitty K twins arrived. They both were overexcited. That one was extra special cause it has a turntable and you can play one of the LOL OMG songs, which is really cool. I have to admit that I was also pretty much excited. The dolls are so cute and their outfits and accessories are always stunning. Today I'm going to cook a very simple and quick lunch. We are going to eat tomato sauce with mackerel and rice and a salad. The list of ingredients is pretty short. You just need a few tomatoes, 1 onion, a clove of garlic and canned mackerel, as well as canned tomatoes and tomato paste. You chop everything up and put it with a little bit of olive oil into a pan. While I was cooking, the rest of the family was at the skate track, so I decided to pre-cook the dinner. This veggie soup is perfect for colder days. And once again, this is a very quick and easy recipe. You take 1 onion, a clove of garlic, 3 potatoes, a carrot and red lentils, and also sausages if you like. When my kids recognized that they could choose between 2 dishes, they wanted to have the soup for lunch and to eat the rice later on for dinner. And since I was too tired to make a salad, I served the rice with spinach. Let me also tell you something about the benefits of the fruits and berries that I got. I wasn't familiar with the African star apple and either with the turkey berries before my husband brought them from Ghana. So I did a little research and this is what I found out. So the African star apple is a rich source of calcium, and it also contains a good amount of vitamin A and vitamin C, even a higher level than in oranges. It's also a good source of iron, as well as the turkey berry. Turkey berry is particularly a rich source of plant-based iron. If you're interested in trying these fruits and berries out, you can find them in Afro shops, for example. But the season of the African star apple is almost over. It's from December till April. But maybe you're a lucky one and you can still find them. But they are really worth trying. They are so delicious. I just love to see what happens when the kids are out with their daddy. As a mom, I'm always rather careful and try to avoid situations where my kids could hurt themselves. But when they are out with their dad, he always makes impossible things possible. He teaches the kids that when you believe in yourself, you can make everything possible. And for that, we love you, Kofi. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you're new here, and I will see you next time.